Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Sequelize Node.js. So today we are going to learn about the getters, setters and the virtuals. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In Sequelize ORM, getters, setters, and the virtuals are used to manipulate and transform data when working with the model attributes. These features allow you to customize how the data is retrieved, stored, and presented in your application. Okay, so let's take an example. Getters. Getters are the functions that allow you to modify the value of an attribute when it is retrieved from the database. So whenever you retrieve something from the database and you have a getter function to modify that one, you can use getters to format, pre-process or calculate the values before they are returned to your application. Like suppose from the database I'm getting the first name and it's lowercase, then I would need to capitalize that one. So in that case, I can use the getter. For example, formatting the dates, capitalizing the text, performing the computations. Okay. So here you can see we have a get method that is called first name, last name, and return this one. Okay. This is getter. What it says. So const it takes first name. So this dot get value, get data value, and return the first name concatenation part. Okay. Take an example of the setter. I will explain this part. We are this part also, like how you are going to call that one. Okay. Okay. So let's suppose we have, I want to just make the whatever I'm getting from the database is the first name and I want to capitalize that one. So in that case, we are going to create a method in the model and we will try to use that one and check that part also. Okay. So this is just an introduction. Next, we have a setters. So setters are the function that allow you to modify the value of an attribute when it is set into your application code. So whenever you try to set into your database, before that, you can set that value and make, like suppose I want to set that in uppercase or the lowercase, just modify it. Okay, set that value, this dot set value, like email is equal to value dot lowercase. So here what we are doing, whatever the email is coming up, whether you are typing in a uppercase or something, we are trying to make it in a lowercase and save that into the database part. Okay. Then we have a virtuals. Virtuals are not the actual database columns, but are computed properties based on the values of the other attributes. Virtuals are handy for the presenting the calculated or derived data without storing it in a database. You are not storing it to the database. For example, calculating the user's age based on their birth date and generating a full name from the first name and the last name. So in that case, yeah, this is not related to database, it's just computations at the runtime, you can say. Okay. So here we have a user, right? And we have a virtual that here we are calculating user dot product get age. So birth date we are getting, and if the birth date return null, else we are getting the full year this one and return that age. Okay. So this is the virtuals. In the next video, we are going to learn how to use the getters and the setters. Okay, so we have created that one, but how we are going to use that, we are going to learn in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.